Shelby, can you keep an eye on Crunch while we're keeping Bubby busy?
Aye, Adam.
Mission accomplished, team.
This is Bobby's idea of tidying up.
Well, at least we kept him busy, and we're almost at the Garden Nebula. We should really tell Crunch he's almost home. Where is he, Shelby?
Crunch is alone on the bridge with Bubby.
But Shelby, we told you to keep an eye on Crunch while we were busy.
I did, but Bubby finished his last odd job 10 minutes ago.
Come on, Gru. Action stations. No, Bubby. Please say you didn't.
What a meal!
Wait, what? Crunch is okay?
Bubby just cooked me the best nachos I've ever tasted. Just wanted you to feel at home, Crunch.
But, well, we thought you wanted to eat Crunch.
What? Just because I'm a rabbit. The very notion.
You see, on our world, Crunch, rabbits are famously fond of eating carrots.
Oh, I see. On my world, carrots are notorious for their fondness for eating rabbits. I'm kidding. Good one, Crunch.